Question 10. The profit W of X earned by a company to manufacture X bicycles per week is given by W of X is equal to negative X cubed divided by 150 plus 3x squared minus 250x minus 2700. So you can write this equation as negative 1 divided by 150x cubed plus 3x squared minus 250x minus 2700. What should the weekly bicycle production be to maximize profit? And then we get 8 marks. So when we talk about maximizing the profit or minimizing the profit, we have to differentiate the equation once, the given equation once. So the first derivative of W of X is equal to, you say 3 times negative 1 divided by 150, you get negative 1 divided by 50. X squared, you have to subtract 1 from 3. So now 2 times 3 we get 6, and then we subtract 1, we remain with 6x there. And then we say 1 times negative 250 is negative 250. We subtract 1, we get x to the power of 0, which is 1. Times negative 250 is just negative 250. So the derivative of a constant value is 0. Now we have to solve for x, right? We equate this to 0. And then now we divide the terms of this equation by the coefficient of x squared term, which is negative 1 divided by 50. And then we get what? We get x squared minus 300x plus 12,500. And then this is equal to 0. So now let's factorize. When we factorize, we look for the factors of 12,500. That will give us the sum of the middle coefficient, which is negative 300. So it's x minus 50, x minus 250. So x is equal to 50 or x is equal to 250. So to determine which value of x would maximize the profit, we have to differentiate the equation for the second time. So we say the second derivative of W of X is equal to 2 times negative 1 divided by 50 is negative 1 divided by 25x. And then 1 times 6 is plus 6 there. So we have to substitute these values of x into this equation. So if the second derivative of W of X is less than 0, it means we get the maximum. And then if W of the second derivative of W of X is greater than 0, it means we get the minimum, right? So if we say negative 1 divided by 25 times 50, we get what? We get negative what? 2, right? Then plus 6, we get 4. So it means to maximize the profit, x can be 50. Right now, let's substitute x by 250, and then we get what? We say negative 1 divided by 25 into 250 plus 6, we get negative 4. So we know that the second derivative of W of X must be less than 0, must be negative for us to be able to maximize the profit, right? So it means if we say the second derivative of W of 250 is equal to negative 1 divided by 25 into 250 plus 6, we get negative 4. This is less than 0. Therefore, to maximize the profit, x must be equal to 250.